guys, I told you the last vlog that I still have like 2 others from Jumia, right? So the first this is it. Actually it's two. The second one is Victor's power bank, not mine. I'm hungry. Let's eat first. As I'm eating, we're going to unbox this because see, me, I'm hungry, gone you like seriously hungry. As a good mother that I am. On this. Why? With what? With water. Okay, let's gist before we unbox. Right? See, I've been really strong, right? I wanted to do 3-month challenge whereby I upload every day. But you see my throat, I'm having my throat has been paining me for almost like 2 weeks now. So it has not been easy, seriously. Even to eat gone. You understand? So I can't film every day because of my throat. So I have to like drink hot water, tom, take drugs, boil water after filming or before filming. Like this morning now, I took oge. You understand? Hot one. What's it called again? Tom like 3. Then hot water. Before I could sit down here talking like this so that you can hear me. The last 2 videos I made, oh Jesus Christ, I was forcing myself to talk, so it has not been really easy for me, right? Kilo ṣẹlẹ̀. Oya. Hello. Take 100 naira lọ́wọ́. Oya, take 500 naira there. Buy pure water for me, 100 naira. Bára tútù o. Let's come and eat pomo. Throat is paining me like. Best. My watch hour has improved, bro. And my subscribers, yes, people subscribe at least every day, and that makes me happy. Seriously, that makes me happy. So actually, I said I want to try many things. I want to talk about many things, but I have to take care of myself too. I am the preacher of you come first, take care of yourself. You understand? I preach that a lot because yes, I said I'm going to do a review on my skincare products. So this is my face without filter. This is my hand, my body. Look at my body without filter. Seriously. So the skincare products are actually nice. They are very good. Arán ni ìbánilọ you are worthy. Dá orun tó díjú rí kàn ń bọ́ kí ọ̀rọ̀ tó dáyé àtọ̀run ipa ńlá gbogbo ayé. My sister is playing this. Ọlọ́lá tó ga jùlọ, ọlọ́rọ̀ tó pọ̀ jùlọ. Oya, I was so silly. Ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ ń kọ́. Kọ̀wíyádà. Ok, mo ránṣẹ́. sálẹ̀ ilẹ̀ ṣe ti bẹ́yẹn don't be afraid mo mọ̀ sọ pé kó lọ dá padà torí mo mọ̀ pé ẹrù ń bá ẹ̀ ò fẹ́ dá padà tó ti gbọ́ tó bá ti jọ́ mi tẹ́lẹ̀ bá fún ẹ ní nǹkan tí ò dáa tó ti gbọ́ tí ò tẹ́ lọ́rùn kó dá padà kí ni mo sọ fún ẹ má jẹ́ kẹ́rù máa bà ẹ́ kí ni mo sọ that's my girl I love you
ẹ mú wá fún mi dáadáa
mo ṣe ọkọ mi kí ló dé ìwọ nìkan lọmọ ni irọ́ eṣinṣin wo ló pè mí kọ́ ni mo bù ni èmi ni mo bù fúnra mi ẹni tó lọ bá mi ra nǹkan èmi bẹ́ẹ̀ jẹ́ kí n jẹ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ jẹ. ọ̀run àtayé pẹ̀lú ara ọ̀tọ̀ ẹbọ mi tó bá tẹ̀ mo gbóṣùbà fògo ràbà. mi ò fi anything sí.
búrẹ́dì eléyìí.
mi ò fún ẹ lóde mi ò fún ẹ tó bá jẹ gbélé.
ṣé wàá Instagram mi.
ọba ní kábíyèsí wọ́n ní kádé pẹ́ lórí kí bàtà pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ o ìwọ nìkan ní kábíyèsí. ó máa gbà náà ó jẹ wá gbọ́ búrẹ́dì àgbà búrẹ́dì sí mi ò fún ẹ. táwọn ọmọ ìgbà tó dé sórí ẹ ṣé bàtà táwọn ọmọ ìgbà tó ẹsẹ̀ rẹ. Victor gbà abó jẹ as per big boy. Let's open it. Tá gbogbo ògo ní bẹ́ẹ̀nìkẹ́nì kan. So this is it. Ọlọ́jọ́jọ́ àgbààgbà mẹ́rìnlélógún ṣí adé kalẹ̀. Wọ́n ń bọ ìwọ ni àtòrí ìwọ ni. I like Dr. Alabi. I'm very sensitive to words. I can easily feel energy behind every word. So guys, this is it. Hey, so this is the light gone. So I can use it with my phone, right? So I actually bought this because of the inbuilt battery. You understand? Electricity here is bad. Like as I'm making this video now, there's no light. I like the color. It comes with this too, and also comes with this. It's charger. So if I want to use it, it's going to be like this. Okay, yeah. So then, Victor, let me have your phone. Yes, I fi ṣe kíní. If test kíní. Mo fẹ́ fi ṣe nǹkan ni. So I'm going to plug it with phone. So let's assume this is phone. Victor don't want to. So it's going to be like this. Right. So we need to on it. Don't worry. More. It's going to be like this. Let's see. Like this. Right. Put on. Okay, what's it on? Hey, see, you see now. Everybody, how bright it go. Can you see? Hey guys, can you see now? How bright it go? Very, very bright. So if I want to travel, I can travel with it. This one I have here is I can't like mention inbuilt. I have to use it with power bank. But this one, I like it, very portable, and it comes with inbuilt battery. See that battery go is my issue. Yeah, it's what I love because I have to solve this electricity problem. So kò ṣeé ṣe TikTok video iná ṣì wà ń bẹ̀ yẹn díẹ̀ pé lè sáré ṣe tó bá kò tí kù tí mo fi sílẹ̀. So this is it, guys. People want to use this and I said no, it's new. If I charge you, that boy, I don't understand. It's not about please, I'm not giving you. Ó fẹ́ ṣe kí ni? Like what? So guys, this is it, Jare. So thank you. So the stuff that máa ń pariwo kẹ́ ọmọ ẹ̀. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.